Welcome to City Going. My name's Rob Vore. In this episode, it's stewed tomatoes. I am not a fan at all of tomatoes. I can barely stand them, but with this recipe, I can tolerate tomatoes. And this is a real simple and easy recipe. There's a good restaurant up in Ohio that I think makes it very similar. I'm trying to get it as close as possible. But anyways, the first thing you need is maybe one, depending on how much you want to make. I have 2 cans of crushed tomatoes here, right? You can get the Italian seasoning kind if you want. It helps. These are just plain old crushed tomatoes, nothing fancy here. And I already have a stick of butter. You know, this is the key ingredient that makes this real flavorful is butter. I do a stick, about a half a stick for each, 8 ounce or 28 ounces of crushed tomato. So I'm just gonna go ahead and pour that in just like so. Get the other can and pour it in as well. I might, as I slowly taste and try this out, add more butter down the road. The other key ingredient is going to be brown sugar. So I don't have an exact measurement, but right now I'm going to stick in at least 2 heaping tablespoons of brown sugar. And then another thing, because these are not, again, Italian crushed tomatoes, I'm going to use some Italian herb seasoning, right? And I'm just going to sprinkle some of that in there liberally like that. And also do a little bit of ground pepper. I'll probably put some a little bit more in a bit. And also some sea salt. Not a lot, but a little bit, if I can get my sea salt to come out of here. Here we go. Just like so. And I'll go ahead and get ready to put this on the stovetop. I'm not going to grill it, you know, it is a city grilling show, but just going to do it on the stovetop. It's real simple and easy to do. Okay, I'm on the stovetop. I've got my first stick of butter already melted in here. I got a low heat going, and I gave it a little taste, right? And I am not even there, because that was 2 cans, you know, 2 pounds of stewed tomatoes. So I'm really gonna say you're gonna want a stick for every pound, a stick of butter for every pound of stewed tomatoes. It's tasting good, but it's just not there yet. The other thing I'm going to do is definitely add some more brown sugar. So I already had 2 tablespoons in. I'm going to put at least 2 more in. And again, these are heaping. So that's about 1/4 cup. And I'm going to go a little bit more yet, maybe up to 4. So that's definitely 1/4 cup of almost close to 1/2 cup here of brown sugar. So I'm gonna let this go ahead and melt, because it's gonna get a little bit syrupy like, but it's gonna taste so good. You'll be amazed at how good this tastes. So I'm gonna let this melt some more, then give it a try, check on my Italian seasoning, check that out too, see if it's tasting pretty good. All right, I've got the sugar in there, the butter's already melted. It smells wonderful. I gotta take another taste here. I've been tasting them along the way. Just go like that. Wow, I can taste that butter, which I like that flavor to it. And that's what makes me really start to like stewed tomatoes. I got a hint of the pepper, just a slight hint, and the Italian seasoning as well. You know, you can make this to however you like it. If you like more butter, by all means put more butter in it. I'll guarantee it tastes delicious. You're gonna like this recipe. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. You can get the recipe here at citygrilling.com, as well as below here underneath this video.